Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. So we're going to talk about the SOF-T tourniquet today. This one is made by Tac Med Solutions. It's another great option for a tourniquet. So once again, a tourniquet is used for massive bleeding, life-threatening bleeding on the arms or the legs. We want to first apply direct pressure, maybe with a gloved hand, a t-shirt, towel, some sort of cloth to hold pressure to try to get the bleeding controlled. And if the bleeding does not get controlled with good quality direct pressure, then we want to apply a tourniquet. SOF-T is a great choice for that. So this particular SOF-T here is a blue edition. This would signify that it is a trainer, something we could practice with, things like that. This is a Gen 4, and one of the biggest upgrades that we noticed with the Gen 4 is this retention clip here. This is going to assist us in getting the windlass into the triangle. So as you turn the windlass to get bleeding stopped, it's going to end up falling into this clip here, and then you can get it into the triangle a lot easier. This is a pretty cool upgrade from previous generations. So we have massive bleeding, large laceration, maybe for chainsaw, whatever kind of major trauma event happened to the arm. We've held direct pressure, we're not able to get blood flow to stop. So we apply a tourniquet at least 3 inches above the injury site. Get this nice and tight. Rotate the windlass until bleeding stops. You can see it's going to go into the TRAC system here, which helps us hold pressure, and then we can lock it into the triangle. So you do have the ability to disconnect the buckle here if you don't want to feed it through the arm or through the legs. You can just bring it through. Connect it back. When you pull this, you want to make sure you get your band nice and tight. Turn the windlass until bleeding has stopped. Goes into your assistant clip here, and then lock it into the triangle. And you have a place to write your time as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely encourage you to get some training along with this product. I would encourage you to check out bleedingcontrol.org and firstcareprovider.org for some classes.